Hi, I'm Jim Hewson, and this is Don Taylor.
Hewson? Does that mean you're the son of Hugh?
No, it means I'm the son of Hewson.
But wouldn't that make you Hewson's son?
Kids, stay in school. Sullivan with a chance to score. Housley scoops up the loose puck. Sullivan grabs it, mowed down.
And he crushed him, like a really big thing, crushing a much smaller thing.
Chelios. Yager shoots. Thibault made the save. Jamnov. He gets laid out. Shanahan gets hold of the puck. Yager has it now. Chicago takes over. Daze! Joseph turned the shot aside. Daze gets flattened.
A hit that cracked the top 40.
That's icing. Jamnov won the faceoff. Joseph stoned him. Lemieux. Jamnov takes possession of the puck. Fires! Thibault denies him.
That save makes me a happy man. Happy like Dusty the rodeo clown.
Thibault hangs on for the whistle. Sullivan is definitely in pain.
He took a blow to the chest. Yeah, he's injured for sure.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
And it's icing against Detroit. The action will resume once the glass is replaced. Ruchin got the puck.
Come on, hurry it!
Gaudette grabbed it. Caberlet runs over Gaudette. Schaefer grabs the puck. Neuendijk gets it. Shoots it! Thibault with a great save.
And had he been playing croquet, that would have been an amazing shot.
Gaudette scoops up the loose puck. Schaefer runs over Marchand. Ruchin fires! Caberlet, he takes control of the puck. Robitaille shoots it from the left. Saved by Thibault. Marchand has the puck. Taken out. Robitaille now has the puck. Lemieux now with it. He has it. Lemieux taunted the defender with one hand on his stick.
Then to top it off, left him in his tracks.
McAlpine will serve time for cross-checking.
Hey, Jim, wonder why they call it the penalty box and not the penalty bench. There's a player's bench, so where did the word box come from, huh? Where?
Chicago will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
The Blackhawks dump the puck in. Detroit takes it. Yager, it's one-on-one. Shoots! Thibault stones him cold.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
McAlpine gets rubbed off the puck. Grabbed by Detroit. Chelios. Jamnov hammers him.
Kind of felt like it was holding back there, Jim, and it makes me angry.
Scores upstairs.
He went upstairs, and the ref didn't have to. It was a nice, clean goal.
Coming soon to highlight reels everywhere.
Late period heroics make for great family television. Now the players get a few minutes of rest, some coaching advice, and if they're lucky, maybe someone's mom brought some oranges. It's safe to say that was a good old-fashioned tooth and nail of a first period.
You bet, Don, and as we head into the second, let's see who jumps ahead. Gaudette fires from the right. Brewer with the puck. Robitaille returns it. Chicago picks it up. Gaudette gets shoved. Marchand fires in. He's with the puck. Bell now has it. Joseph made the brilliant save. Yzerman takes control of the puck. Delayed penalty call coming up for Chicago. Gaudette is going off for roughing.
Jim, do you think I should grow a goatee?
No.
What about a soul patch?
No.
Van Dyke?
No, besides, what does that have to do with the penalty? Detroit is up a man. Scores on the power play.
No sour play in this power play.
They came out looking to increase their lead and did just that early in the second.
I'd give them all a big pat on the back if they'd lift a collective restraining order.
Adept.
By number 14,
Offside.
And by number 5, Nicholas Lidstrom. On behalf of the team, I would like to say hello to all of the special groups.
Jamnock. He gets rubbed off the puck.
He nails him fair, square, and really hard.
He gets shoved. Yager. Shanahan, Thibault turns him away.
And for variety, a little blocker action.
Daze. Lidstrom knocks him off the puck. Yager. Jumped on by Chicago. Shanahan. It's one-on-one. Scores!
Detroit goal.
Jamnock, Smolinski knocks the puck loose. Daze shoots. Joseph shut the door.
Another night, another game, another save. And yet, it's never boring.
Joseph turned the shot away. Herdina picks up the puck from Joseph. White, Detroit in control now. Chicago puts its second line out. Herdina whips it. Thibault stoned him cold. Bell, a howitzer from the left. He jumps on the loose puck. Adept. Barron scooped it up. Neuendijk takes it. Schaefer corrals it. Mowed down.
On the road to the championship, sometimes you have to play the role of shock absorber.
Delayed call coming up. Mironov gets hold of Adept. Scores!
Even the most jaded fans have got to love that diamond of a goal. Did you see the way the puck curved slightly on its way to the net? That's how you can tell which hemisphere we're in.
Chicago can't be written off just yet.
There's a comeback of brewing, Jim, and it smells delicious.
Daze gets muscled off the puck.
These bold and beautiful hits make for some real drama.
Lemieux. Kuba. Brewer grabs the puck.
In the second period.
Lemieux has it now. Thibault hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Lidstrom cranks it.
There's the cool buzzer sample to tell us the first is over.
Detroit has played some textbook hockey tonight. Go to the locker room with a 2-goal lead.
These guys are icemen, Jim. Nothing can rattle their composure. Welcome back to the game.
That's it? No witty one-liner? Scores! He turned the trick.
He cranks in another and hits the hat-trick jackpot. Outstanding!
Chicago has put their other goalie out on the ice.
They're going to play two at once?
I think the first guy's coming off the ice, Don.
Oh yeah, I knew that. But just think of the possibilities.
Chicago needs to get to work and quit playing around out there.
Well, I'm sure they weren't expecting a day at the beach, Jim, and if they were, they sure aren't dressed weird.
Fires it! Joseph stones him! Lidstrom. White took the puck. Smolinski shoots it! Chicago has it now. Mironov. Adept one-times it from the left. Saved by Joseph.
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
The ref indicates a delayed call against Lidstrom. Mironov shoots the puck from the right. Blocked. Adept jumps on the loose puck. Lidstrom will go to the box for elbowing.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet, I was right.
Daze. Jamnock shoots the puck. Adept scores.
Just look at him celebrate. He knows how amazing the goal he just scored was. I've heard of backhanded compliments, but that backhander was just plain mean.
Chicago is bringing in some new strategy, and is it ever paying off?
Indubitably, Jeb.
Don, you promised to stop saying that. Sorry. Daze.
Eric Daze.
Jamnov, the Blackhawks go offside. Jamnov is one of the better face-off guys you'll see.
It's like he's a regular player out there.
He is.
Oh, yeah.
Shanahan knocks him off the puck. Chelios scoops it up. Chicago puts its scoring line out. Daze gets bumped off the puck. Detroit gobbles it up. Chelios. Breakaway! Gets away a hard shot. Jamnov. Daze fires! Joseph denies him. Daze takes control of the puck. Yager shoots! Calder stops the shot! And there's some punishment being dealt out on the ice.
All of you young kids out there, now's a good time to go wash your face and get ready for bed.
Oh, he nails him there.
This boy's got more hits than MTV.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Adet gets in the way.
A 5-minute major.
Mironov with the puck. Adet has it.
To number 47.
He gets laid out.
We got some heart-thumping, bone-crushing hockey going on.
Luchin. Chicago puts its third line out. Shoved. Fires it. Passmore made the save.
He's crafty, that one.
Passmore hangs on for the whistle. Berezin jumps on the loose puck. Peluso. Taken out.
Wow! That one sounded like King Kong falling off a building.
Iserman gets the pass from Joseph Lemieux. Shoots from the right. Stoned cold by Passmore. Korolev. Passmore is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Ah, who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never!
Robitaille gets the pass from Joseph Clem. Gets hold of the puck.
Last minute of play in the third.
Mowed down. Iserman. Robitaille. Shoots! Empty netter!
Detroit goal.
Marchand.
Number 20.
Wiki takes possession of the puck. Marchand, this shot. Joseph made the save. Lidstrom knocked him off the puck. Mironov shoots it. Smolinski. Mironov scoops up the loose puck. In all alone. Shoots the puck. Turned away. Richardson gets crushed.
He crashes, mashes, and bashes. And all for 3 easy payments of $39.95.
McAlpine. Calder. It's all over now. Detroit is the winning team.
And this was a David and Goliath story if I've ever seen one. These guys battled the odds all night long and came out on top.
Tonight's third star for Detroit, number 14.